sitting here just reminiscing of my experience of the 2016 SEMA Battle of the Builders. I'm Cameron Miller and I'm the owner of HS Customs in Logan, Utah. We won Battle of the Builders in 2016 with a 1969 Chevy Camaro. Yeah, so going back through watching some of this footage, describing the car to my fellow competitors and judges, to even be able to be in the same picture with these guys. That's what's really cool about the Battle of the Builders. To be judged by your peer, a fellow builder, is definitely next level. That makes this experience that much greater. We made it to the top 10. And at that point, all of us were just blown away. To be considered in the top 10 of the hot rod class at that time. Then we moved on to the next level, which is the top 3.
The third finalist for this year's SEMA Battle of the Builders is Cam Miller and his 1969 Chevy Camaro.
And at that point, I didn't know what to do with my hands. I didn't know what to say. I was just all over the place. Like it was so surreal to me to share that passion with these other guys and gals that I was on cloud 9. Here we are, top 3, moving to the final deal. I'm on this stage with 2 other builds that are just out of this world. Yeah. Here we are, we won it. I mean, I was just, the emotions took over at that point. To be a part of such a cool group of people, to work with the people at SEMA, our vendors, just to be able to show our car and our work off to the people that support us. Winning the Battle of the Builders opened a lot of doors for us. It created a lot of great relationships and of course, opened the doors for potential builds. I mean, SEMA is the biggest international stage you can have. And the exposure that comes with that is really big. It's so powerful. Some advice I could give people wanting to enter the Battle of the Builders competition: embrace the opportunity. These groups of people have put together for you to be recognized for your passion, for what you and your team have created. Please stay motivated and innovative. Be creative, but be thoughtful and thorough as you go through the process.